My name is Adam and I was diagnosed with OCD. I tried the conventional medical treatments, but I knew it would only do so much. And I was in a crisis situation and I found Dr. Cabrera, and she has been amazing. Through the use of acupuncture and herbs, I have gotten a lot better, and after a few months I'm totally off of medication, and I look forward to progressively getting better as I go along. One thing I can say about Dr. Cabrera is she's a real doctor. What I mean by that, for example, is that if someone goes to a psychiatrist is interested in knowing what your symptoms are, and he's going to give you whatever drug he thinks is best for your symptoms. If that doesn't work, he'll prescribe another drug. If that maybe works, but you're having a lot of side effects, he'll suggest another drug or perhaps a third drug to try to augment those side effects. Whereas Dr. Cabrera, she's interested in what's going on in your body as a whole. For example, she'll use acupuncture, and if that's not satisfactory, she'll use herbs. If that's not enough, she'll use her version of psychotherapy or perhaps hypnosis. And if that isn't enough, then she's thinking to herself, what are all the things that I can do, or what else can I do to help Adam?